Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here, Canyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk around and a startup video for you on a 1969 Chevrolet El Camino. Now this beautiful orange El Camino is a California car. It is rock solid. The body is super nice. The undercarriage is very nice. The frame is super clean. California car. A friend of mine goes out there every year. He bought 4 or 5 cars out there and brought them back, and we bought a few from him. 350 engine under the hood, 350 turbo automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms on it. Edelbrock intake, carburetor, valve covers. It is a factory air car. The AC compressor is not on it currently, but if you choose to put air back on it, it is a factory air car. It has aluminum radiator in it. The body and paint on the car is very, very nice. No signs of any bubbling or blistering anywhere that I can see. Sitting on a new set of Riddler wheels. Spray on a bed liner inside the bed. Show you inside the tailgate here. Very nice. I looked underneath this thing when I bought it, and I just crawled underneath it before I started the video. I'm like, holy cow, this thing's nice. It does have a 12-bolt rear end in it. Visors, headliner is nice shape. Seats in great shape. Looks like it's got new carpet, new door panels. Jams are nice. Retro stereo. Looks like the paint's really nice on it. Chrome bumpers front and rear are in good shape. Stainless trim, wheel well molding, all in nice shape. Door handles are nice. Mirrors got a little bit of pitting on there. It's got a couple of bugs on it. Windshield looks nice and clear. Got some footprints there. Hasn't been the greatest of weather lately, so blower motor, wipers, turn signal left, turn signal right, bright headlight indicator, and the signal's back on. Say door panels, very nice shape. We got this car priced at $34,900, which I think is a great price for it. It's hard to find something that's this quality you can buy for that price, especially something that nice, clean and solid. License plate light, tail lights, turn signal, side markers, new dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. It does retain the original exhaust manifolds, which is a nice thing in my opinion. You can put headers on them, but it seems like you don't have to worry about exhaust leaks as much if you got factory manifolds on it. I'll flip the other signal on here. Sounds great. That door is not shut. Here you go. There you go. Say, I don't see any bubbles or blisters anywhere on the bottom side of the car. this car down the highway. It runs and drives down the road very nice. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kenyonauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call on this beautiful 69 El Camino. I wanted to put the bright headlights on there for you. See if they're all working. They are all working as well. Again, give us a call, 563-452-2450, kenyonauto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Man, what a nice looking car. 34.9. This shouldn't be around long. Hugger orange, 69 El Camino. Sounds great too. Let's listen to that thing purr. I'll talk to everybody soon. Have a great day. I'll be back at you here in just a little while with another great quality collector car.